Welcome to the Zero Defect Mandate video. We'll explore how transforming electromagnetic physics provides absolute manufacturing certainty. This video outlines a strategic blueprint for IATF 16949 compliance and automated production intelligence in the automotive industry. Global automakers now enforce strict zero-defect mandates, ending statistical spot checking. Relying on destructive testing for only 1 in 100 parts leaves the rest unverified and carries catastrophic risk of engine failure and loss of Tier 1 status. 100% inline non-destructive verification is now a regulatory imperative. The quality assurance paradigm is shifting. The traditional approach uses statistical sampling and slow, messy die penetrance. The EddyWise standard offers 100% inline, automated verification, electromagnetic scanning at millisecond speeds, non-destructive grade sorting, and direct TCP/IP integration for traceability. Eddy Current Testing works like an MRI for manufacturing. A healthy signal shows circular eddy currents in the metal. A crack or void acts as an insulator, forcing the current to detour and altering the magnetic field. The eddy line sensor detects this shift in milliseconds, instantly rejecting the defective part. Grade sorting detects invisible material integrity issues. Different alloys and heat treatments change a metal's electrical conductivity and magnetic permeability. Low-frequency currents verify case depth and alloy composition. Any component with incorrect heat treatment or a thermal grind burn instantly registers outside the acceptable standard. The threat detection matrix utilizes both high-frequency and low-frequency scans. High-frequency detects surface flaws like microcracks and surface porosity, preventing fatigue failure. Low-frequency uses deep penetration to verify core hardness and case depth, preventing premature friction wear and system seizure. We offer diagnostic solutions for key powertrain components. For piston pins and engine valves, we address surface cracks and heat treatment issues. For engine bearings and cylinder liners, we prevent grind burns, delamination, internal bore porosity, and hardening depth defects with automated, high-speed scanning. The geometric twin ensures precision dimensional metrology. Pneumatic air gauging measures diameters and roundness using fluid dynamics without touching the surface. eVision laser profilometry uses high-speed laser triangulation to continuously scan for cross-sectional dimensional tolerances, capturing up to 1,000 samples per second. Our ecosystem ensures zero bottlenecks and 100% coverage. This includes portable incoming material verification with Viva Handheld, inline post-machining inspection with Eddy Auto at full production speed, and comprehensive final audit and deep root cause diagnosis in the lab. The helical scan is our inline execution solution. A simple linear scan is insufficient for inspecting highly polished cylindrical parts. By rotating the part at high RPMs while the probe traverses the axis, we create a tightly wound helical scan, guaranteeing 100% surface coverage at industrial throughput speeds. We digitize perfection through Industry 4.0 and the digital twin. The EddyLine 2 instrument acquires physical inspection data with high resolution. The digital twin logs and ties every inspection data point to a component's unique identifier. MES integration provides real-time dashboards and audit-proof traceability. Empower your facility to guarantee 100% defect-free shipments to global OEMs. We offer uncompromised speed, total verification using deterministic electromagnetic science, and absolute compliance with IATF 16949 and other standards. Send us a sample batch for proof of concept and digital verification.